For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
After the Ministry of Home Affairs gave a green signal for all the places of worship to be opened, we are here at one of the most prominent temples in the city of Bengaluru in Gavipuram, that is the Gavi Gangadhareshwara temple. And you can clearly see that in accordance with the Ministry of Home Affairs guidelines that has been given, there are social distance markings which has been put across this entire temple as well, instructing devotees as to where they will be going as well. And you can also see that there are thermal scanners which are already there, and thermal scanning is mandatory and it is a must for everybody. You can also see that the entry staff over here is also clearly going on and wearing a face shield too, and also to make sure that the proximity is avoided at all points of times. You can see that hand sanitizers too has been installed over here, and you can also see the mechanism that is there. This is not manually sprayed over here, but you can actually use your foot pedal, and then once you press, you can actually see that the sanitizer can be used as well to disinfect themselves as well. And you can clearly look at it that devotees are going out, and there are also supervisors who are over here who are present too, who are ushering in the crowd, and they are making sure that at least a minimum distance of 6 feet is being maintained between all the devotees as well. And this is absolutely something which is important as well, and it is a long process, but at the same point of time people will also have to make sure that they will keep themselves safe from the deadly COVID-19 as well. And you can see that the devotees have been waiting over here, and the temples have been opened through the day too, and only in the afternoons the temple will be closed, and special rituals too are being conducted over here for the deity of Lord Shiva too. So this clearly goes ahead and casts light on this entire procedure that is being carried out as well. And you can look at it that people are just getting a glimpse of it. There is no sort of prasadam, or there is no sort of holy water that will be given to them over here, because that is something which is important. And even if people are supposed to take aarti, there is a plate which has already been kept over here, and they are taking all of this aarti and everything from this plate itself. So it is equally important that people maintain social distancing too, and you can see that there is absolutely no crowding too. So this clearly goes ahead and shows the entire fact that social distancing is definitely the need of the hour for all the people who are coming in here. And moving across as well, devotees too have cooperated with the temple management too, and this is the same scenario across the entire city of Bengaluru too. So it is equally important for the people to come into the temples, but at the same point of time they should also make sure that they will maintain social distancing and also follow all the standard operating procedures that has been issued by the government of Karnataka. We have seen that the places of worship has opened across the entire country over here, and Bengaluru is no different as well, because all the temples in the city has also opened. And we also have the chief priest of the Gavi Gangadhareshwara temple, Mr. Som Sundar Dikshit. Let's go across and speak to him. First and foremost, sir, we have seen the sort of devotees who are coming in. This particular temple has a rich history as well. What do you want to say to the devotees first, and secondly, what are the sort of guidelines that you are following to ensure their safety as well as your safety too?
So last 90 days Swamis go to Agnatavasa. Then will be so many devotees has suffering, that like Sankata Bandare Venkataramana, it says. That's why Swami did not take the darshanam. It will be so much filling some devotees. But today is open the temple. Somebody has come and take darshanam. But what I say, I will do archana and abhisheka and dhyana. So it's not available from temple customs.
Correct.
That's why I will do one darshanam. But 90 days I will wait from darshanam, Shiva darshanam. From today is actually very good activities. But then devotees are faced from distance, and they take 1 minute or 2 minutes darshanam, and no flowers and pal and coconuts. But it's not necessary from here. Government order is there. That's why I will adjust it. You please take darshanam and prayer. I want to do seva. Olden days, how to take seva. Same seva to give Swamiji. Please contact the God he will give the chances.
Okay. Guruji, now what is the sort of safety measures that has been put in place? We saw hand sanitizers were there. There are people who are wearing masks as well. What do you want to say to all of it, and what is the guidelines that you have been following?
Writing the banner name.
Okay.
So mask and distance
Okay.
and speaks
Okay.
and close allotment is that not allowed. And also a small child is before 10 years and after 80 years I will control that is not good. After 60 is coming from devotional and God and Dhyanam and so. So after 60 I will say, so he's suffering some in heart. That's why I will just go and take darshanam and come back. He will sit somewhere and out of the area and take dhyanam.
Thank you so much, Guruji. So clearly going across and seeing it, all sort of social distancing, the guidelines are being followed. There are hand sanitizers. There are also supervisors who are making sure that the devotees will also maintain social distancing. There will be no special rituals or aartis which will be conducted. And it is a sincere request for all the devotees to maintain physical distancing too. And as soon as they finish taking a darshan, they immediately leave the premises of the temple and go to their houses, because it is important for all of them to stay home, stay safe. With camera person Mantesh, Prajwal Prasad reporting for News 9, Bengaluru.